Saxon Phonics, Lesson 49. Repeat these words after me, and then listen for the sound in the middle of each word. Hook, wood, foot. What sound did you hear in the middle of the word? Yes. What letter or letters do you think make that sound? Hook, wood, foot. Do you see letters that would make that sound? Yes, 2 O's. All these words have the sound in the middle position, and the double O's are the middle letters in all of these words. O must be the letters making the sound. How many sounds do you hear? K. Right, I only hear one sound, but how many letters do you see? 2. 2 O's with one sound. What do we call 2 letters that make one sound? A digraph. Is digraph OO a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? Yes, it's a vowel digraph because it's made up of 2 vowels. Echo these new words after me and listen for the middle sound again. Boot, room, scoot. What sound did you hear in the middle? Ooh, right. Do you know what letter or letters are making that sound? B-oo. R-oo-m. Sk-oot. Did you figure it out what letter or letters are making that sound? It's our double O's again. They made another sound. Ooh. 2 letters making one sound. Another vowel digraph. We have one sight word for this lesson. School. Sk-ool. It makes it hard to sound out because you don't hear the H sound. Sk-ool. But there's our 2 O's. Repeat after me. School. Our first key word for double O has the sound. See if you can guess it. This is something very sharp. It is usually dropped into the water from a long string. We put worms on this to catch fish. What do you think it is? Hook. H-ook. When you see this card, say hook. The keyword hook helps us remember the sound since hook has the sound. Our next keyword for double O has the oo sound. See if you can guess it. This is a hard, bone-like structure found in your mouth. It comes loose and falls out when you are young, but a new one will grow in. What do you think it is? Tooth. When you see this card, say tooth. Ooh. The keyword tooth helps us remember the oo sound, since tooth has the oo sound. Go ahead and get your worksheet out and look at number 1. Number 1, sh, sh. S, H. Number 2, th, th. T, H. Number 3, ah, ah. Number 4, t, t. T. Number 5, r, r. R. Number 6, H. Number 7, U. Number 8, E. Number 9, f, f, f. F. Number 10, I. I. Let's practice spelling some words. Number 11. Spell the word fish. F, I, sh. F, I, sh. F, I, sh. F-I-S-H. Number 12. Spell the word time. T-I-M. T-I-M. What needs to go on the end of this word? T-I-M. Right, a sneaky E, because it sneaks around this M to the I, scaring it, making it say I instead of I. T-I-M. Number 13. Yes, our double O. This double O has a breathe over it. Number 14. Ooh. Double O. This double O has a macron above it. Number 15. Spell the word look. L. K. L. K. What needs to go here? Right, double O. L. K. One sound with 2 letters. Number 16. Good. G. What's that sound? G. Double O. G. D. D. And I don't have a number 17 on here, but number 17 is 2. T. Ooh. T. Ooh. T-O-O. I'll give you a second to catch up. Let's look at number 18 through 22. Which word is the word that matches the picture. Book. B-U-K. B-U-K. Right. Number 19. B-U-K. We knew it started with a B. B. And no other word starts with a B. So we looked at number 19 and sounded it out to make sure it was the right word. B-U-K. Draw a line from book to the picture. Then let's look at the next picture. Kite. K-ite. K. What do you hear? K. Right, it's either a K or a C. Do we have a word that starts with a K or a C? Yes, number 24. Let's sound this word out to see if it matches our picture. K-I-T. K-I-T. Does it match our picture of the kite? Yes. Draw a line from the word kite to the picture. When you're finished, flip your paper over. I left Cam's book at school. It's on Lil's desk at the back of the room. It has a red kite on it with black lines. Repeat each sentence after me. I left Cam's book at school. It's on Lil's desk at the back of the room. It has a red kite on it with black lines. Number 1. Where is Cam's book? Where is Cam's book? Number 2. What is red on the book? What is red on the book? The lines, Lil's desk, the kite. The lines, Lil's desk, the kite. When you're finished, submit your worksheet to your teacher.